Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie, and if you said, hey, I've seen this shirt before and this background, it's because, well, I'm sure you've seen it before, but what I mean is like so close in the week is because I just got my very first product from Milk Makeup, and I figured, you know what, I've never really unboxed a package, like haven't opened it yet and unboxed a package with you guys, so you know, this will be a little extra, a little, you know, spur of the moment video. So yeah, let's dive into this. Honestly, I've got my little pocket knife here, or my husband's little pocket knife, and we're just going to cut into it. Oh goodness, there's nothing better than that Sephora box, isn't there? Alright, so I hope I didn't show my address. Oh, I'm excited! Okay, so let's go first of all with the most important thing, and that is the Milk Makeup Kit. This is a kit that they do, like this kind of a kit every year around the holidays, and it usually has like 5 or 6 of their best-selling products. And yeah, I missed out last year because I didn't get it right away. Like, what was it, $57, I think? Where is, oh, I don't even think they show it on the sheet. No, they don't. I think it was around $57. And this is it. How cute is this? This is a really pretty bag, guys. And it's like, you know, hefty. So inside, and these are really cute. They're bigger than I thought they would be. You get like the plastic, of course. And then inside here, you get 6 of their like stick formulas, which I'm so excited to try. And then you get a mini of their Kush mascara, which if you know me, oh my God, you know I've wanted to try this. So yeah, this is exciting. And I just want to see what the wand is like. Ooh, that's a fat wand. Doesn't smell like cannabis. Alright, so you get that. You also get, oh, look at the little baby. It's so cute. And there's a lot of product in there. So you get their cooling water, there's 6 grams of product in here. And it's really like, it actually has a lid on it. Oh, and it looks like they even put, now this is it. They even put a little cap on it so that you can recap it. Oh, yeah. Doesn't smell like anything. But yes, I've been waiting to try some Milk Makeup stuff. So I will do a close-up shot of these products. You get one of their Lip and Cheek tints. Then you get their lit highlighter, which I think is like a holographic highlighter. Oh no, this one in Supernova is. Then you also get their blur stick, their watermelon brightening stick, and their cooling water stick. So that is exciting, and the bag is quite large, so that's pretty nice. I'm also going to take some pictures for my Insta. Alright, so as a perk for you know, they're having like these full-size perks now at Sephora. This was 250 points, and of course, here we go. It comes in like a cute little box, which I think is adorable. And it's actually this is their Sephora Solid Clean Solid Brush Cleaner. Now, she is just winding up a storm. And it also, which I think is so cool, it also comes with a little, okay, we're going to let Miss Princess out. Anyways, as I was saying, so with the Sephora Solid Brush Cleaner, you also get a little, like, you can put it in here, and you can put the product on your brush, get it into some water, and then just wipe it off in here, clean it off in here. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm really excited to try this because I have gotten samples of this in the past, and I did enjoy it. And I thought for 250 points, full size right there. The next thing that I got is one of their like sample kits. I get these all the time. And then I also got the 3 samples that they offer. This one I actually got their brow pomade from Kat Von D. It comes with the blue one. I'm really excited. And then I also got this one, Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde. This is from Amika. This worked really well on the peach in my hair that I still have, so I wanted to get another sample of it. And then I have the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Ultra Gentle Daily Peel. So I'll be sure to try out that. And when I have like a really big surplus of samples, usually I will do like little giveaways. I've done that in the past a couple times. So the ones you get in here is you get a Tarte lip paint in, hello? Birthday suit. I think I already have this, so I might just put this in a, you know, my giveaway pile. Then you get a whole bunch of like the samples of foundations. Oh my gosh, I have like 2 minutes left on my clock, so I'm like mumbling away here. The first one you get is the Sephora collection. This is their 10-hour perfecting foundation. I haven't tried this one. I really do enjoy foundation, you know, samples. Then I have, oh, I just don't understand why they do this. 1 second. Now, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my camera, is that I absolutely hate when brands give you samples, and it looks like I've got 2, 3 samples that are like that today. When brands give you samples like this, okay, where it's like a little packet, there is nowhere near enough foundation to try foundation on your face. They give you like this little dot so you can like look at the color. So this one is the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Matte Foundation, pretty much useless. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear hydration foundation, and they also give you a photo finish smoothing primer. They give you more in this primer than they do in the foundations. Like, I don't understand it. And then this one, I actually, you know, I can get away with it a little more. This is the Mix Your Stick Easy Multitasker. Now this, you could totally contour with this or highlight or whatever, and you'd probably have enough product, but to use this as a foundation stick, okay, not gonna work. Now, 2 that are, you know, on the money at least a bit. Oh, 3 actually, it looks like. So this one is the Sephora, oh, come on. Okay, so this one is the Sephora blah 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 10-hour perfecting foundation. This is an actual like little tubey, well not tube, but you know, like a little squishy thing of the foundation that you can actually try on your face. And then this one, I love Fenty for this. This is amazing. This is perfect. And they also give you their primer with it. I'll be keeping this because I love the Fenty primer and I don't have one right now. Anyways, then they also give you this Dior one. Oh, Dior. Right on. Dior got it. This is the sample for Dior, okay? You've got like a huge amount of product here. Huge amount of product, probably 2 uses at least. And they give you like one of the darkest and then to like pretty light. I'd say this is probably not the lightest shade they carry, but it's pretty light. This Dior got the home run there. I just don't understand like the nude sticks, or like I've had so many of these Smashbox ones and it's just like, give it up already. But anyway guys, that is everything that I got in this little Sephora package. I will make sure I throw in like a little clip it right here of what those milk products look like because they were so cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little impromptu video. I know it wasn't very long. It wasn't supposed to be that long. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. I haven't said that today and I feel like I've just been robbed of my outro. But I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Mwah.